Es muy difícil complacer a tantos oídos. Si canto de amor, sexo, drogas o los corridos, solo expreso.
Okay, what I just did, guys, is I was checking out the brakes because they are squeaking real bad, but it's because she actually doesn't need new brakes. The little middle piece right here, metal piece right here, starts to actually hit the actual rotor, so she needs new brakes before this scratches it. And well, I just spray painted them because she wants a different look. She doesn't like the pink no more, so. See how they're pink? I think I'm gonna change these to black. I don't know yet, because I don't think I have enough spray paint for white. I was gonna paint the back for it, but it's dirty right now and it's supposed to rain, so I wasn't gonna wash it. Well, right now I'm going to the other side, do the same thing, paint the brakes white, and right here where the rotor is, because they're all rusty right here. Both of this right here, paint them flat black. So it has a nice clean look just for now, for the time being. The two front tires are on. I did paint the calipers and then the actual rotor, like where it is, and this right here. So that's all done. Gotta do the back, but I don't think I have enough white spray paint, so I think I'm gonna just paint them black for now, because she doesn't want the pink no more. Nothing girly. And like I said, I was gonna do back here, but I don't have enough white, so I'm gonna just leave it like that. You know? This is how it looks with the actual wheels on. You can't really even see it, but it actually looks good. And the front, like I said, this is the only thing that's gonna be pink right now. That's going back on with white. I mean, if you ask me, I think it looks a bit better, because she didn't want that girlish look no more. Like I said, this is gonna be painted soon. Right here drying. It feels dry already, so then we'll put it back on. She needs more stick. She needs another sticker right there. Oop. When I pick her up right now, let's see if she'll wanna talk to you guys and tell you some of her plans. I know she wants to keep it a secret, so yeah, let's see if she tells you. She'll probably tell you a little bit, so we'll wait on that. And right now, it actually looks nice. I mean, they did with the pink too, but something just for temporarily, it's pretty nice. Just got them taking everything off. We just took out the core support right now, and there was actually a lot of screws. Should have told you where the screws are, but there's screws right here. There's one like over here. There's this one. There's this. Same thing over here with the fender. Well, it's better off if you take off the bumper to get down here. If you're low, like this one. But everything's off now. Take out the fender, because it needs a new fender, core support, and the front end. I think we're gonna do the HD front end. The only thing is that we're gonna need to take it to someone to lower the brackets on the bumper, because the HD is like, I believe you gotta lower it. You lower the brackets. So that's done. This is all we need right here. Here's the radiator, the fender, core support. This is where the it goes in front of the core support. I think that's separate. And that's the wheel well. That also goes on the core support right there. Then we need that water jug. And yeah, this is where the hood is, the light, and the grill. I do have one light, which is the driver's side. If anybody needs it, let me know. Comment down below. And we have the fog lights. We have both of them. They both work. I don't think the fog lights will fit on the, what is it? The HD front end. So for now, we'll see when we get it. But hopefully we'll get the fender and the core support to put it back on together Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday. Because right now it's Sunday, so we'll call Monday, get them to take it off, and then we'll just pick it up. Yeah, I'll show you guys where we get all that stuff on Monday. But for now, this is how it's gonna stay for the rest of the day. We'll probably go get the radiator today. And yeah, because that's all we could get right now. So we'll get that at least. And yeah, and then we'll go off from there. We are back, guys. It's been like 3 or 4 days already. It's Thursday. We have the hood, HD hood. We got it without the plastics. Without this plastic right here either. So we gotta order that. It is OEM. I mean, I'm pretty sure it's OEM because like it's not what is it? Flimsy. Next we have the fender. Came with the little filler thing. The actual plastic has the hood. That's good. We have the HD grill, but we're gonna get a different HD grill. So if anybody of you guys like interested, let me know. HD comes with the emblem. Nothing wrong with it. Well, I mean, there's one clip broken, but it's right here. But all the clips are right, so like it'll hold it. Like that won't make a difference, you know. We got the HD grill right here, though. Let me know if any of you guys are interested. $130 right here. $130. Firm on it. I just want to get rid of it, so let me know. Comment down below, or my Instagram will be like right here somewhere. So you guys can message me if I still have it by then. There's a truck right there. It looks like it's gonna rain, so that's why I have it covered. But right now, that's what we have: the HD grill, the fender, and the hood inside my dad's truck right here. And then we actually they have the core support on the GMC over there.
Trying to.
Core support's right here, guys. Got everything. So if any of you guys have an HD grill, let me know. Like, alright, 2 days. We have the front end put on. It's all mounted on already. I didn't record much because we were just trying to put it on right now. But the HD hood is on. Like I said, the guy didn't sell me the front clip and the two plastics. We sold the other HD hood, and I got this one now. This is a newer one. It's a 2013. We have that hood. This grill, I mean. The only thing we're missing is the emblem now. We have the fender put on now. Lines up pretty well all the way down here. It's put on. Has the plastic underneath. Door opens. Nothing going on. Right there. I did paint the inside white just so when you open up the hood, it's like it looks factory. Here's the bumper right here. We're still looking for an HD bumper, so if anybody has an HD bumper, please comment down below. Let me know where you're from. The farthest I'll go is probably Phoenix for it. We're looking one for the fogs. So yeah, but everything lines up perfectly. Here's the line, and here's this line. I need to scoot over a little bit this way, but that's no biggie. Everything else is good. We have the radiator support, the radiator, the AC condenser, and then underneath here it would be that water jug that I got, and then everything just put back into place. Turns on, fans work, everything's good. So on the next video it'll be putting on the bumper, hopefully sanding down hood, the both fenders, grill and bumper, and primering them. I don't like how it's different colors right now, but as long as we primer them, I'll be okay. And then maybe we are going to be taking off the wrap on top of here. Other than that, truck's finished. Let me know what you guys think of it, how it came out. Trading these wheels as well right here, so if anybody has good trades, let me know. But like 70 to 80% of tire left. They are 275 30s 24s. Nothing's wrong with them, just take it off, trading them for something different. Looking for 26s, so we could add cash on top.